I recently got this long red wig. It was sent to me by the company to give my full and honest review. It is a long red wig with bangs. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package and show you what it looks like. As you can see, it does come with a wig cap. This is a vibrant red color. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. It does have a netting just to make sure that it doesn't get tangled while it is in the package. Let's go ahead and take it out. And this is a synthetic wig, as you can see. Very, very nice and soft. Again, super vibrant red color. Pretty long wig. It does have like a natural curl at the ends. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside. On the inside, it does have two clips here on the side, and then it's lace on the inside. It does have two adjustable straps on both sides, so you could go ahead and tighten the wig just to make sure it stays nice and secure. I'll show you what the top part looks like. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try on this wig. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so here it is. A very, very nice, long, flowy wig. All you have to do is once you take it out of the package, you want to place it on, but you want to make sure that you brush it out nice and soft. I did use a blow dryer for the bangs, or round brush. I just went ahead and used it on a light setting just to kind of give the bangs a little bit of volume. This is due to the wig just being in the package for a very long time. So you want to just go ahead and give it a little bit of style, but take a look at how nice and vibrant those colors are. Very nice, bright red wig. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and show you what the back looks like. If you're looking for a nice long red wig with bangs, I would definitely recommend super vibrant color, very, very nice and bright. This is perfect to wear on a day out, or if you're looking for a nice wig to wear for a costume.